Simfoni Spend Analytics. I'm your demo diva, and I'm here today to show you one of my favorite dashboards, the Simfoni Supplier Report. In my past life, I was a category manager, and I spent so much of my time preparing for supplier meetings that I didn't get to spend as much time as I wanted actually taking cost out of my programs. But Simfoni has made that so much easier by creating this dashboard, the Supplier Report, that it allows me to prepare for my supplier meetings in minutes rather than hours. I can simply come into the report, type in the supplier I'm meeting with, and out pops a pre-prepared supplier report, giving me all the information to prepare me for my supplier meeting right off the bat. I can come in, type in my supplier, get the information that I need, and I'm ready to go. I'm ready to hop into my supplier meeting and start negotiating right off the bat. It's fabulous. Thanks so much for listening today. Be sure to think of Simfoni when you think of all your spend analytics needs.